Now set up the MoonQuilt. So first I take out the product and put it into the hammock. Then I take the bag, which can be extended, so you can put your whole sleeping system. You have a little opening here and you put your hammock inside and put the carabiner through the hole. Then from the MoonQuilt you have one carabiner left and one right, and you clip it on the rope between over here. But care to put it between the two ropes so it cannot slide off later. You do the same thing on the other side. Also clip it between the two ropes so it cannot get off. Then we put the underquilt below the hammock, and on the side we can clip it here, especially for wide hammocks. It's also recommended you can clip the rope on the corner here, so to get a nice diagonal shape. You can then also use this hook on hammocks without mosquito net to connect this on top. We do the same on the back side, but we keep this on the loose side so it can get nice and diagonally. On this corner I also clip again here between the net. And here we keep it loose again, so it's a nice fit. And then here we can lift it up and we can change this position also. You can try this ideally with another person inside. And here you can retension or stretch it out, depending how you need it. Hello, my name is Igor Scotland. I'm the product developer of Ticket to the Moon, and today I will show you our new range of MoonQuilts. MoonQuilt for us is the insulation and underquilt that you put below the hammock to keep you warm from below, because if you put a sleeping bag in the hammock you will compress it on your back, and so the insulation, which is air that cannot move, doesn't work. And we decided to make a really comfortable solution, which is 135 by 210, so it's quite long and wide. To fit every person, and it has a directional cut. It means that the inside fabric is shorter than the outside fabric, so the insulation, even if you stretch it, does not get compressed. And we have it in different versions, which we explain soon. So the first product is the MoonQuilt All Round. It's the follower of our former MoonQuilt. We produce it now in-house, and we use insulation from Thermo Eco down, which is from 100% recycled PET bottles, which is used also for the MoonQuilt Compact. The shell fabric is a 20D fabric that we use for our lightest hammocks also, so it's very soft and nice. And the inside fabric, the lining, is made from leftover fabric, so it's upcycled material from the quality control of the hammocks. This is also a square sleeping bag, so it's a very flexible product. You can have multi-use. So for many people they will be happy with this product because they don't only use it for your hammock. Then the MoonQuilt Compact is basically the reduced version of the all-round, so it's just an underquilt, but very simple, so it comes pre-set up. You can just take it, you clip it to your hammock and you're ready to use. But you can also modify, so you have lots of options to adjust it. And as the MoonQuilt all-round, it's comfortable down to around 5 degrees Celsius, and it's really cozy and nice. The same design like this one, which is like 210 by 135, so it's quite roomy and wide. We have in 2 down versions, in 650, which going down to a comfort temperature of around 2 degrees Celsius. It packs smaller, so you can get it more compact, and it's warmer than the other one. And then like our flagship with even more down inside, even in a higher fill power, so in 850, so it's really
lofty and warm, and you can use it below zero. We recommend a comfort temperature around -3 degrees Celsius.
So we show you how to transform the MoonQuilt all round from underquilt back to sleeping bag. So first you take the elastic cords on your corners and you just put it back into the little pocket, so it's not annoying when you lose the sleeping bag. And then you open the cord to extend the short side, so it's fully straight. You do the same thing on the other side, and then you open the short side on your foot end, then it's fully extended. And here you add the zipper with the hood. So your hood is back on your sleeping bag, and then you can fold the sleeping bag together. And first I close the short zipper on the foot side. And then you close the zipper for the long side. And now your sleeping bag is ready to use.